welcome to my art studio. Today I've got some really exciting news, and that is my Nature's Charm art collection is going to be released into prints. I actually have a special delivery from the postman of the prints that I've not even opened yet, that I thought we could unbox together and take a look at some of the prints in the Nature's Charm collection. Now these will all be released on the same day. If you would like to be notified when the prints are released to purchase, you can check the description box, and I'll also pop a comment, the top of the comments, with a link where you can go and opt in. If you just let me know your email address, and I'll send you an email when they will be released. So yeah, there we go. So should we have a little look at the prints and get to unboxing them, because I'm really excited to see them. If you can hear the dog barking next door, I apologise. Hopefully it's not too distracting. I just had a look at the prints and I'm absolutely blown away by the quality. It's actually made me feel really emotional seeing them in print form, because it's a whole process to get a painting onto a piece of paper and look like the original, and there's so much testing, so much editing involved, and just the quality is insane. If I just zoom you in, hopefully that is focusing okay and you can see the quality. It literally looks like the real painting. Like, you could just see the texture. So I'm just so blown away by the quality of these. It's just like having the actual painting here, like really is. Again, like I love how like from far away it looks like a picture, but up close you can see all the little textures and details that make it look like a painting. You can even see like the grain of the canvas, which again, it makes it feel and look like an original painting. So I'm so thrilled and excited to release these prints, and hopefully people out there will buy them and decorate their homes with them, and hopefully they'll bring a lot of joy and beauty into people's lives. I'm absolutely thrilled by them. And I've got something exciting planned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be sending emails about each piece and the story behind each piece, and showing the layers that went into it, and how each painting evolved and the reason behind it, and yeah, just the story behind each piece. So if you would like to learn more about that, they'll only be little short emails, but if you'd like to learn more about that, remember to opt in at the link in the description box. Just pop in your email, and also I'll pop a link in the comment section. I will just leave a comment with the link there, and you can sign up and hear about the story of each piece, and you'll also be notified when they get released. So thank you so much, guys. It still amazes me that I can make art and that people support it. Like, that alone just humbles me and makes me feel so blessed to be able to do that. So thank you, because you guys are the ones that support my channel and support me doing what I love. So thank you for that. So yeah, just a massive thank you to all you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.